A very good morning and welcome back to your own channel, Seek the Soul, the Truth Lies Within. And for all those who are listening to this for the first time, for you, the link of the YouTube channel and the playlist has been given down below in the description. You can go down and check it out, where you'll get to find different topics on relationships, on health, on dieting, on yoga exercises, and many more things. So go and explore that. And also leave your comments if you have anything. And if you do want to share, do share it with others. So let's go ahead with today's blessing, 230th day of our Gauri blessing. What does Baba have to say? Let's explore. Baba says, may you be constantly victorious. May you be constantly victorious and successful in every task. Now, what is the method? Let's explore the secret. By keeping all three aspects of time in front of you. We generally think about right now. Right now, I want the benefit. Right now, I want it for myself. But in the long run, it tends to deplete us. It tends to push us backwards. We think we are moving ahead, but we tend to go back. So our karmas have to be on the basis of the three aspects of time. Let's explore what does Baba have to say. Baba says, those who are sensible in the world will consider the beginning and end of everything before they take any steps in the same way here too. Before you children carry out any task, first of all, keep all three aspects of time in front of you. So what does that mean? If I take a decision right now in my family, I might be gaining it for the present, I might be benefiting it for the present. Let's say you have a certain knowledge. You don't share it with others, within your family members or within your friends and all. You might think that you are doing well because you're keeping the secret. You might do it for yourself. But at the end of the day, if you don't share it, and that soul or that family member or that friend of yours doesn't come out of that issue, who is going to get the burden? Yes, you might be out of the issue, you might be out of the trouble, but that soul who's related to you somewhere or the other will be linked to it, and that burden is going to come onto you and the guilt will eat you up. Suppose that person comes and asks you for help. You kept it as a secret, the solution. That soul comes and asks you for the help. What will you do then? What about your relationship? Just giving a small example over here. So that is what it means to look into the future, decide what I need to do in the present. And past means it's a relationship which has been coming on. It's a friendship which is going on. Past, present, and the future. So God says here too, do all the karmas on the basis of three aspects of time by keeping them in front of you, and then act. Do not just look at the present time, but have unlimited understanding and perform every action and speak every word on the basis of having faith in victory and knowing the three aspects of time. Now, what is the victory over here? God says your thoughts, your words, and your actions are being taken accounted for. They are karmas. So what is going to happen to you in the future? What is going to happen to your karmas and how they're going to come back will depend upon your thoughts, your words, and action which you take in the present time on the basis of keeping all the three aspects of time in front of you. Very crucial. We have a habit of thinking of the present benefit, present luck, or the present gain. We might be thinking that right now I am in the best spot, but what about couple of days ahead? When that thing gets revealed, when that truth comes out, what about then? Think about that, God says. So it's better to face it now than to face it in the future tenfold. Yes, it's going to be tenfold if you do some karma right now which is going to benefit you only and not others. Selfishness is going to benefit you right now, not others, and it's going to affect everybody else. So Baba says you will then be said to be spiritual and extraordinary. Spiritual doesn't mean that you have to wear white clothes or you have to wear the orange clothes and then only you're called spiritual. While staying at home, while staying with your family too, you can all live a spiritual living, and because of which your karmas are very pure and refined and everybody is benefiting. The whole family is lighter, the whole community is lighter together, all your friends are lighter together if you share this with them. So this is today's blessing. If you like it, if you have felt that this message is for somebody, do share it with them. Do put it forward to others and get the blessings. So I leave you with this beautiful vardhan. If you have any comments, do put them down in the description. And if you have any suggestions, they're most welcome. Have a blessed day. Stay healthy. Stay in the right side of karma. Om Shanti.